Out on a piece of property today I got permission on. Just walked up one in some oaks. Pretty sure. I think you guys watched any of my video from last year. Yep, definitely the same buck. I found the side tooth here last year. He is awesome. And I'll do a quick picture. And the really sad thing is actually in this unit here, he's not legal to shoot. I mean, you can see how big he is. And cool. Can't shoot him now. Oh well, he's a neat one. Maybe we can try and find the other side. It'd be nice. Couldn't find it last year. Coming up along this little thick bunch here. Got one right there. You can see it's just a little tiny valley. Looks like it might be old. Can't quite tell though. Yeah, it's old. Yeah, I mean, I'll take it though. No doubt about that. Nice. Just a small one, but in good condition. Heck yeah. Alright, we're after some more now. It's been a minute coming down through this little bottom between these two fields. It's all walnuts. I usually don't look in spots. Too many walnut trees in them, but looks like a pretty good sized old one laying at the base of that tree over there. It's all chewed up. Typically, anytime I find something in walnuts, which isn't very often, the squirrels have ruined it. Which is the same with this one. As you can see the tines laying there bent over. Nice antler though. I'll get a quick picture here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's what she would have looked like. That was a good buck. It's heavy. Alrighty.